So the first step that we need to do is we need to measure, figure out the size that we need. So we're gonna take this tool, it's called a caliper, it comes in a box like this, and you can find it in the measuring station of the STEAM lab. And a caliper measures very precisely, and so we're gonna turn it on using the on-off button, and then we're gonna make sure that it's closed, and then you wanna make sure that it says 0, 0. So sometimes when you turn it on and it's open a little bit, it's or it's closed, it's gonna have a number and it's not gonna be at 0. So then any measurement that you take is gonna be off. So we're going to make sure it's closed, then we're gonna say 0, make sure that it's at 0. And now you can open it, so you can pull it open, or you can take this little circular dial thing and move that, and then you can measure with that. So you can measure the inside of things, you can measure the outside of things, depending on how you do it. So we want to measure the inside of this. So we're going to make sure that it says 0, like I said. And then we're going to open this up on the inside, and then you're going to measure the diameter of the circle. Remember that diameter goes all the way from side to side, and then make sure that the circle is not actually squished. If you look at this, that's more of an ellipse rather than a circle. So you want to make sure that it's an actual circle. You might measure it from a few different ways, make sure that you're actually getting the precise diameter. And then I'm not going to tell you what it's measuring. And again, you want to make sure that it's really precise. So you do it yourself. Another thing that you can do is you can measure the outside, the outside diameter of this nose cone. This is one that I bought from the factory, so we did not make this one. And you can see what the measurement is there. And just remember that the diameter of this needs to be slightly smaller than the inside diameter of that. And so that way, again, it'll slide in and out easily. That's the first step, is make sure you know the size of your nose cone.